only thing you need to understand about this retouch is very easy. It's not something you need to just struggle too much about it. That won't show you, but I'm going to show you every secret about this thing. Okay, so first, make sure you just get your image. Okay, so any image like look like this, and when you get the image, the first thing you're going to do is that you're going to duplicate this image. You can right click here and you can see duplicate. You see? So okay, let's just make it like 3. So I'm going to show you how it's going to be. So this 3, we're going to make sure that we're going to work on this. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is that make sure you choose the same face color. Okay, we just need the same face color. So when you choose it, click OK and move to mixer brush. So this is the brush you're going to use to, for your everything. And this is the how you're going to use it. Make sure here is going to be 80. Okay, 80%. And here make sure you're going to click on this or this. Make sure that here will make empty first before you can just work on the skin. Reason why I love here to be 80 is that it just make me just work so fast, just simple, then I move. Okay, so if you want to take your time, you can just make it 5% or some, but if you want to follow my steps, this is how you're going to do it. Okay, so this is very simple, and this is going to give you 100% skin touch, and this saved me a lot of time. Okay, make sure you just make it in the correct way. Don't put much pressure on it. So let me just show you the before and after. You see, so when you come up with this, okay, make sure you just complete every single place you want to make it done. So let me just make this. This is very easy way to do it. This one doesn't require any plugin, so don't worry too much about these steps. Okay, so this is the step. See, so you can do the same thing on the neck. Okay, so let's just keep this. Let's just keep this, but your own. Make sure you take your time to work on this. It's not something to struggle too much. So want to come out with this, okay, and you check the before and after and see if everything is correct. So when you're done with this, just swap this one to this top here. Okay, this is the one we just work on it, so I just swap it. So the second one is here. So when you move it to image adjustments, black and white, simple. Click OK and then move to filter and then come to other high pass. So the high pass, you're going to check here the numbers. Well, okay, so the numbers, make sure this one is too much, so make sure you make it to 0.9 and click. When you click on it, change it to normal. Okay, you see, so this just gives you some flats. Okay, so I'm doing this one, it's not good, so let me just go back again. So when you go back, try to just fill the figures, the numbers. You see, so the numbers, if you push it to 1.4, just check, or let's make it 2. So the 2, I'm going to change it. So have you seen the skin now? Have you seen the skin now? But you can reduce the opacity to make it cool for you. So when you're done with it, press Ctrl plus E. So it's going to add them together, before, after, before, after. This is very simple to just come up with this, and all this is very easy to use. Use this. Okay, so simple. So this is how I just work on my, when it comes to my retouch. and anytime you just work on it and add them together, just duplicate, make it to like 3. Okay, so when you make it to like 3, choose the dot 2, this one, the dot 2. So when you choose it, just open it, this, and make sure you check the figures, the exposure, make it 50. Let's just be there. You see, so this is going to give you the touching bed. Very simple, easy way to come up with it. Okay, so when you're done with this process, come to the lips, and you can do the same thing over there. So let's check the before and after. If you think here is too much, you can just reduce it, the lips. Okay, so this is very easy way to come out with something. And then you move to your camera raw. So this the place is going to complete everything. Okay, so the camera raw, this is how you're going to do it. Make sure you push the contrast, okay, and make sure you push the blacks, but don't make it too much. And the shadow, you can make it the shadow too much, but just make it a little warm like this. So I'm going to make this one warm. I don't want to make it bright. See, this is going to give you something cool like this, and then you push it. So always check the numbers, how it's going to use it. So I'm making it step by step how to come out with something it's cool, crazy about this. So the skin, you can check the skin, the orange, you can reduce it, or you can just add more into it. Like I said, make sure it's just look like cool, it's great. And then when you're done with this, make sure you will come to here, the optics. So this, you're going to push this one and come to the midpoints. Okay, so it's going to give you everything 100%, and you can see before, after. So let me just add them together. You can see now the difference of the shirt. See before, after. This is an easy way to just come out with this retouch, and I don't struggle too much about it. Only thing is that you're going to practice more and make sure that you get everything correct. So guys, click here, and I'm going to drop more videos like this for you. Don't forget to subscribe. See you for the next video. Bye.